Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are gonna learn um, the past tense uh, Fihl. If in a past tense Fihl, if attached pronoun come, how to translate. So we already learned that. What you have to do is first remove the attached pronouns. That's the first step. Then translate standalone the Fihl. Then bring back the attached pronoun, then translate with the attached pronoun. That's the idea. So I'll do some exercises, then you'll understand what I'm talking about. So first one is khalakakum. Khalakakum. So kum is the attached pronoun. First, assume that it is not there. So hide it. Khalaka mean see it's given the meaning creating. So khalaka mean huwa khalaka. He created. He created. Then bring back the kum. Kum mean you all, right? You all of you. So he created, then all of you. Jiutukum, jiutukum. Jiu mean coming. Okay. Jiutu mean who came? I came. Jiutu, I came. I came to who you. I came to all of you. Kum. Mattauta hum. Remove the hum. Then translate mattauta. Uwanasara, umanasara, umnasaru, hiya nasarat, umanasarta, unna nasarna, anta nasarta, anta mattauta. So anta. Anta mean you. Matta mean what? Provided comforts, right? You provided comfort to whom? You provided comfort to comfort for whom? Them. Now bring back the whom again. So remove the attached pronouns, translate standalone fihl, then bring back the attached pronoun and translate. Put back it is. It's very easy. Okay, next one. Uh, Ja'alnakum. Ja'alnakum. Remove the kum. Ja'alna. We made. We made what? Kum. All of you. We made all of you. Next word, fifth. Waja'a. Waja'at. Whom? Waja'at. Whom? What is waja'at? Huwa nasara. Huma nasara. Hum nasaru. Hiya nasarat. Hiya waja'at. So here. And Jamin came. It came. Or she came to whom? She came to them. Or it came to them. You can translate here as it or she, depend on the context. Okay, then faja'alna ha. Faja'alna ha. Fa mean then. Ja'alna mean we made. We already did. We made. Ja'alna mean we made. We made again who? Sorry, not ja'alna. Faja'athum. Faja'athum, right? No. Number six. Faja'alna ha. Faja'alna ha. So fa mean then. Ja'alna mean we made. Then we made. Ha mean it. We made it. Number seven. Akaluhu. Akaluhu. Remove the who. Translate akalu. Or you can use your finger and hide the who and translate akalu. Akalu mean huwa nasaru. The whom nasaru. So they, akala mean understood, right? They understood. Akala mean understood. They understood. What they understood. Now bring back the who. They understood him or they understood it. Okay. Number eight. Fast. Then zabahuha. Zabahuha. What is zabahu? Slaughtered. Who slaughtered? Zabahu. Like Nasaru, whom Nasaru. They slaughtered it. Then they slaughtered it. Bring back the ha. Mas'at whom. Mas'at whom. Which one is finishing in ut? Like Nasarat, right? Wa Nasaru, ma Nasara, whom Nasaru, here Nasarat, here Masat. So Masat mean here. What is the meaning? Touches, touched. So she touched or it touched. Now bring back the whom mean them. It touched them or she touched them. Depend on the context. Ateinakum. Ateinakum. Ata mean gave. Ateina. Now remove the kum. Na is there. So like na mean nahuru. Ateina. We gave. Ateina. We gave. We gave. To whom we gave? Kum. All of you. We gave to all of you. Okay. Lalamuna. Lalamuna. Remove the attached pronouns. What is the attached pronoun? Na. So lalamu mean huwa nasara, huma nasara, hum nasaru. Huwa lalama, huma lalama, hum lalamu. Remember all these words. If you can put into the nasara chart, that means you are expert on the subject. huwa lalama huma lalama hum lalamu hiya lalama tuma lalamata hunna lalamna anta lalamta antum lalamtum antum lalamtum anti lalamtu antum lalamtu antum lalamtunna ana lalamtunna hun lalamna. Like that you should be able to say. If you can say that, let me you are expert on subject. I'm not expert, I'm just saying. Okay, lalamu. Lalamu mean whom lalamu. That lalamu na mean us. Remove the na first. Lalamu mean whom. What is the meaning? Wronged. They wronged na us. They wronged us. You know what is the wrong translation? We wronged. So when you look at lalamuna, you say, are we wrong? No. First you remove the attach, then only you can say they wronged us. See, the they wronged us and we wrong is a completely different meaning. Okay. So be careful when you are translating with attached pronoun. First remove it, otherwise you will translate with the attached pronoun. Like mean as a do attached pronouns as a doer instead of object. Okay, next one. Fa kum. Fa mean then. So akhadat seized. Akhadat is like hiya nasarat, hiya akhadat. It seized or she seized all of you. Bring back the kum. All of you. Najjaynakum. Najjaynakum. Najjaya mean rescuing. Who rescue? Remove the kum. Najjayna. Who rescue? Who did the act? Najjayna. Like Nasarna. Nahnu did that. We rescue. Najjayna. We rescue. Now bring back the kum. Whom we rescue? We rescue all of you. Najjayna kum. Okay, what is the next one? Fallal tukum. What is the meaning? Favored. Fallal tu. Fallal tu. Only one past tense fihl ending in tu. Only one past tense fihl has a pronoun inside. That is, two pronouns comes ending tu comes for ana. Ana fallal tu. That means I favored. Now bring back the kum. All of you. I favored all of you. Next one, number 15. Fakhrajahuma. Akhrajahuma. Then akhraja. Huwa akhraja. So remove the huma, then you will see huwa akhraja. He expelled. He expelled whom? He expelled huma, both of them. It looks like Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala expelling Adam alayhi salam to the earth. Looks like. Allam tana. Allam tana. So allamta. Anta allamta. Anta allamta. So this is anta, right? You can do the chart. Huwa allamu, huma allama, hum allamu, hiya allamatu, ma allamata, hunna allamna, anta allamta. See? Anta allamta, anta. So remove the na. Allamta mean anta. So what's the meaning? Taught. Allamta mean anta allamta, right? You taught na. Bring back the na. You taught us. You taught us. That's the idea. Number 17. Arala hum. Remove the hum. Arala, like huwa arala. Arala mean brought before or presented. So he presented whom mean them. He presented them. Ba'asnahum. Ba'asnahum. Ba'asa mean racing. Ba'asna mean we race whom? We race them. Ba'asnahum. We race them. Akrahtana. Akrahtana. So remove that as pronoun. Akrahta. Like uvanasarta. Uvanasar, umanasara, hiya nasarat, umanasar, huwa nasara, huma nasara, hum nasaru, hiya nasarat, umanasarata, hunna nasarna, anta nasarta, anta akrahta. Like anta nasarta. After sukunta is there. So it's anta. Akra mean forcing. So anta akrahta, anta, right? So anta mean you forced. You forced whom? Now bring back the na. You forced us. Simple idea. Simple idea. First you remove the attached pronoun, then translate individually, understand who's inside the fihl, who doing the act, then bring back the attached pronoun and translate. So simple as that. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help us to understand the Quran and bring the lessons to our life as well and spread across the world. Subhanallah wa bihamdi, subhanakallah wa bihamdika, ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu.